Hi everybody, good afternoon. It's been a long time coming, but finally we decided to put video content on how to do crochet on our YouTube channel. This is going to be our first lesson, lesson 101, if I may call it that. And we begin by teaching you the beginning, the beginning steps in making a crochet product, which, like all of the videos will tell you, is about making a slip, making a magic ring. Sorry, not a slip knot, but a magic ring. And then teaching you how to do single crochet and double half crochet, which is basically what we use in all our crochet products. These are the stitches that we use. So here we've taken Ganga Crypto 4-ply yarn. This is something that we've taken for something else that we're making, but just to give you an idea, this is Ganga Acrowool's Crypto yarn, which is 4-ply. We have a 4-ply crochet hook and a scissor, and we just begin by showing you how a magic ring is made. So basically, this is how you take the shorter end, you hold it in your thumb and middle finger. Then on the index finger, you wrap the longer end like an X. So it should basically be like an X. Can you see this? It will be like an X. So once you have an X, here you put your crochet hook beneath the upper right arm of the X, and you pull the upper left arm of the X underneath the right arm like this. So you have one, like a loop on your hook. Then you take your fingers out and you hold the longer end and you loop the longer end on your crochet hook and you pull it in like this. And then you pull the shorter end. Okay. So this is, even if you want to do a length of stitch, then you just keep on looping one into the other, into the other, into the other. This becomes like a chain stitch. This is what people call a chain stitch. So I'll show it to you again. So the magic ring is, it goes like this. X, your crochet hook underneath the upper right arm of the X, pulling the upper left arm of the X underneath it. There, you have the hook on your crochet hook, the yarn and loop on your crochet hook, and then you pull it through the loop again. So this becomes like your first. This is basically this loop here, this thing here is called your magic ring. So if you can make it longer, make it shorter, whichever way you want. You can adjust it for different stuff that you make, granny square, length, something like that. You can use it for different purposes, and it's a very versatile loop to know. This is basically where it all begins, the first loop. We'll do it again one more time, just so that you have an idea of how, or it should be done, just to make it perfect for you. So like this is your long end. Then we make the X. Okay, then we put the crochet hook beneath the upper right arm, pull the upper left arm of the X underneath this, and make another loop. Okay, once again, I'll show it again to you. If you have any questions, please drop into the comment section. Also, please like our video if you like the content that we put across here, and subscribe to us our channel, so that when we put new content on, you will be one of the first persons to be notified. Okay, and we are going to be putting on new content because as you know, Halloween is just around the corner. So we're going to be putting on in the next few videos, we will be putting on how to make a pumpkin. So you can get the fall decor in your house and put a pumpkin or a couple of pumpkins. We're actually doing a pumpkin gradient in 3 different shades of orange, and like bordering on peach and orange, and we're going to show you that. So that we're going to be doing. Then we might, if you guys want us to do, we might also do a small doll as a witch, or yeah, a witch babe, or maybe like just a doll with a normal kid doll or something like that. If you guys want that, we can do that. And then from there we take on to doing mug cozies and crochet coasters, so that you get conversant with the stitches that we are going to be using. We primarily, what we are going to be doing on this channel is giving you a lot of small animal products. I mean, like for instance, animal dolls, like a turtle or an owl or a doll, or like I'm going to be doing pumpkin here, and then other kinds of dolls that if you guys have any particular dolls in mind, or small stuffs like coasters, like maybe small wall hanging or something of that sort, so that you guys can have fun with your entire family. So if you have like a couple of kids over, and kids don't have anywhere to go, or you have an entire family holiday, so you can just spend time making this together and getting some sort of fun out of it. Also, what we will do is at some point in time have our own craft boxes also going through, so you can also get more entrenched into making it on your own sort of thing. So yeah, so let me know what you guys think about it. Is that something that you want me to do, or you want us to do something else completely different? For instance, you want us to teach you how to do some other types of cushions or stuff, or home decor items, just let me know. Okay, so again, back to the magic ring. So short end, long end over the short end like an X, then your crochet hook beneath the right upper arm of the X, pulling the left upper arm of the X inside. And then one more time pulling it inside to do this thing. This is your magic ring. You extend it, you can reduce it, it becomes your first starting point. Now if you're making a chain, you pull the short end down so that it just closes. You close the magic ring, the loop on your hook is still there, and then you just keep on looping. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, however many loops you want on your like in one straight line. So yeah, so everybody who learns crochet begins at this point, and you shouldn't be really worried about if you're doing it correctly or not doing it correctly, because like with everything else, this only gets better with practice. So if you keep on doing it over a period of time, it'll get better. And the other thing that we wanted to say is that you need to figure out where and how to hold your thread, because if you hold it, you lose. So what happens is then you'll keep like just slipping out knots after knots. So it will not be coming in like properly. If you hold it too tight, the knots will become too tight, too closed in, and then if you want to do a second stitch here, it will not open up. So you have to figure out how to hold your thread, and do this. And also keep taking breaks, keep exercising. If you have shoulder pain and stuff like that, we will also give you how to do take care of your shoulder pain, your fingers, your hands, so that you don't feel stress in it, because crochet is basically handwork. So if you do it continuously, you keep feeling a lot of strain on your shoulders, your upper shoulders, your arms, your hands, generally your fingers, your wrist, everything you'll feel a lot of stress on. So you have to keep exercising it, and once in a while break and then do this. So this is what we've taught today, is a magic ring and chain. So this is 2 things which we are teaching to you today, and we will of course put another video on single crochet, double crochet, and double half crochet, so that you have an idea of the starting rings. And then 3rd video we'll put is the pumpkin video. Okay, thank you. How do you like our video? I mean, I hope it's nice and all that. Just drop your comments. If you have any comment, query, doubts, anything, just drop in the section. Bye, take care. Oh, before I forget, also we have to we are putting in the writing down the content in the description box. We also linking our Instagram handle, and linking our website to it. So in case you guys want to order something, or you want to just follow us on Instagram, feel free to connect with us on those 2 places as well. We have a lot of custom products going through, So we keep doing custom orders for all sorts of people, for all sorts of products. So you can do that. Also, if you at some point of time feel that this is what you want to do, or this is what you can do, for instance, you want to manage work with this, or you have a family that you're bringing up and you can't do a full-time work, you'd like to contribute to us in some way or the other, please feel free to drop us a message, connect with us on Instagram. If you want, you can drop us an email. We have our contact details on Instagram as well. We will drop it here as well, so that you can drop us an email, drop us a WhatsApp message in case you want to be connected with us through some other ways as well. We can figure that out at some point in time. So that'll be all for today, and please log in for another lesson on the next steps, of course. Bye. Take care. Bye.